Hello everyone. Today is a day third of learning computer basics challenge. Today topic is parts of computer. In this video we learn identify the main parts of computer, understand the function of each hardware component, identify between input and output device. What are computer parts? The physical components of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware. Example: monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that displays text, images, videos, and other information on the screen. Uses: watching videos, reading documents, browsing the internet, playing games. CPU cabinet. The CPU cabinet contains the information internal parts of a computer such as motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disks, SSD, SMPS. Important note: many people call the cabinet CPU, but this is incorrect. The CPU is only one component inside the cabinet, that is called processor. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to enter text, numbers, and symbols into the computer. Common keys: alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, enter key, spacebar, backspace key, shift key. Mouse. A mouse is an input device used to control the pointer on the screen. Mouse button, left click, right click, scroll wheel. Speaker. Speakers are output device that produce sound. Uses: listening to music, watching videos, online classes, video calls. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints text and images on paper. Input device. Device used to enter data into the computer are called input device. Example: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam. Output device. Device that display on produce result are called output device. Example: monitor, printer, speaker, projector. Quick revision. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer. Monitor is an output device. Keyboard and mouse are input device. Printer and speaker are output device. The CPU cabinet contains the motherboard, processor, RAM, storage device, and SMPS. Practice question: what is hardware? Name 4 hardware components. Is a monitor an input device or an output device? Name any 3 input device. Name any 3 output device. What is the function of a keyboard? What is the function of a mouse? What is the difference between CPU cabinet and the CPU processor? Homework: draw a computer setup and label the following part: monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard, mouse, and speaker.